This membership is very valuable to me. As a scientist, I research lots of different manufacturing processes, but I don't always have the connections to industry that I would like to have. And that's where SME comes in. Any kind of industry that you can think of, there are people who are members of SME.
This is the place. If you want to improve manufacturing here in the U.S., this is the place where the energy comes together that's going to deliver that.
Just connecting through conferences, trade shows, and events have really allowed me to develop in my career.
Literally, I have on several occasions been in a situation where I'm trying to solve a problem, and it was a connection that I got to through frequently an SME program.
I research 3D printing, and that industry touches so many different manufacturing technologies. And so SME is really a great network to access those different industries and actually try to come up with new ways to use 3D printing and really leverage new technologies in existing industries.
There's nothing like talking to fellow experts and learning about the mistakes and things you shouldn't do.
I would suggest anybody who's involved in manufacturing get involved.
It was very helpful in my career, and so I just make sure that I keep up that continuous membership and interaction with my peers in SME.